Yo, what's going on, guys, out there? Uh, just wanted to fill you guys in on a little situation I came across about 3, maybe 4 weeks ago. I went to the auction here in Pueblo, Colorado, looking for a work truck with a utility bed, guys. Didn't find a work truck, but I did find this guy right here. It's a 2007 Road King. Came with the air breather you see there. Came with the handlebars, which I did move them forward to my liking. They had them tilted a little bit more back. But other than that, I did change the tires. I invested in a wheel balancer from Harbor Freight. Got the rear and front off and took it to the tire shop where I bought my truck tires, and they just switched them out for me. Make sure the dot was on the stem and the arrows going the direction of the bike. Let's see. When I bought the bike, I come with 1,600 miles. And that's what I put on it in the past 3 weeks, going on 4. So I've already put more mileage in the 3 weeks than this entire bike's lifetime. When I got it, I already did the oil change, the transmission, primary. I should have did this also. I did the brake fluid, but I didn't do it right away, guys. The rear and front, I didn't do it right away. I should have. So I mean, it pretty much sat around, you know. So that was bad of me. But first time having a Harley. Not first time driving one, but first time owning one. So since I've gotten it, got these guys. Bought those and I put those on headlamp visors. I also have Harley Davidson fender tip that I'm going to put on a chrome one. I have that already, but I also bought the rear to match, and that one has to be ordered. So it's got the 6-speed. I had to replace my rear gear shifter. I lost that already. I hit it about 90 miles an hour a couple of times. So the second time I went to downshift coming back where I was driving from, and it wasn't there. So I already had to replace that. I had to replace the grips, and then I flipped the mirrors. I just actually flipped those today. So they had them up on top. I flipped them. I replaced the grips. The ones they had were aftermarket. I also got, which I'm waiting to, if I get myself to quit putting fuel, because I need to pick up the tank, but I got the fuel gauge and gas cap that are flush mounts, and I'm waiting to put those on as well. Came with the quick attach rear, and I also put the rear brake light lens. The bike came already like that, but like I said, I got a chrome piece coming, so I'm going to take that off anyway. I'm just waiting for that to come in. I'm probably going to, of course, get these tinted. I was trying to get looking at getting the big brake light filler piece, but for 2007, it might be more of a headache, so I might just leave it and fill that in with the rear filler piece. Let's see, and I balanced them out of the tires myself. Oh, I also added the Harley Smart Security System first, and then I ended up installing the Smart Siren 2, and then I also bought the Harley Davidson Pager Receiver 2 Security. So got those also upgraded on that, guys. So me and the old lady are gonna get ready to go for a ride today before it snows again tomorrow. So this will be the first time starting it. And I'm gonna have it in gear here. Also came with the Vance and Hines exhaust system. Looks like they put some headers on there too. When I had bought the bike, it came with white wall, but I don't know if it dry rotted or what happened. I mean, it sat around for a long time, so. But I went ahead with black. There's a lot of chrome. White walls are harder to keep clean. I went ahead just went with black. Plus, it saved me $100 more, cheaper than the white wall. So. I'm excited. I'll be getting this painted too after the truck. But it looks like it was garage kept. Everything on it's real clean. So 1,600 miles is nothing, guys. That's barely over broken in, man. 500 miles is the break-in period, so it was about 1,000 miles over that. So fog lamps, I don't turn them on unless it's nighttime, so that's why I just have that main one running. Did polish it up today. Guys, as always, thanks for viewing. This is what's been going on, so forgive me that I haven't continued working on the truck. Been kind of busy playing with this guy and looking him over, getting him ready, so I'm still going to try to get him finished, so by, like I said, by May, hopefully. See how that works out. So everyone be safe out there. Thanks for viewing. God bless. Peace. Hey guys, I just wanted to throw this in real quick. This is what happens when they steal your vehicle, and it's a buddy of mine, and cops shoot at you. You can see the bullet hole right there, guys. And of course there's his nice Harley. But they stole it 4 times, and on this last time they shot at the guy. He was running pretty good. It's also cracked all galore right here. So I think he said they shot at it a few times, but that one went through. And they threw out the strip, the what is it, stripes, road strips or whatever, to flatten the tires. Messed up his back rim, so he's looking for another rim like this, guys. So if you know anybody, he's gonna need another rim. But just wanted to throw that in there real quick. That's what happens when somebody steals your vehicle and don't want to pull over, guys. All right, everyone be safe out there. Peace.